Federalism. In Belgium, power of central government was reduced and transferred to state governments. But central government could withdraw powers from state government anytime. So in 1993, state government got constitutional power and are independent of central government. Thus, Belgium shifted from unitary to federal form of government. In Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka remained unitary system where central government held all the powers. What is federalism? It is a system of government where power is shared between central government and individual states or provinces. Federation has two levels of government, country level and state or province level. Difference between federal government and unitary government. Unitary government. There is either only one level of government or subunits are junior to central government. Central government orders state or local government. Federal government. Power shared among central government and state government. Central government cannot order state or local government to do something. Key features of federalism. Federalism has two or more levels of government. Different levels of government govern citizens with its own power in laws, taxation, and administration matter. Constitution sets power of different levels of government. So existence and authority of each level of government is constitutionally guaranteed. One level of government cannot itself change fundamental services of constitution. Changes require permissions of both levels of government. Court has power to interpret constitution and powers of different levels of government. Highest court acts as an umpire to resolve disputes between different levels of government. Sources of economy for each level of government are clearly defined to avoid financial problem. Federal system has two objectives: to safeguard and promote unity of country, accommodate regional diversity. Ideal federal system. A perfect federal system has two features: mutual trust between different levels of government, agreement to live together. Balance of power. Exact balance of power between central and state government depends on historical factors in which federation was formed. Two routes through which federations have been formed are coming together federations. All independent states come together to form bigger unit. All constituent states have equal power and strong relation to federal government. This type of federation exists in USA, Switzerland and Australia. Holding together federations. Large country divide its power between state and national government. Central government is more powerful than states. This type of federation exists in India, Spain and Belgium.